Are you a company in the steel industry looking to stand out as a sustainability leader? Look no further than ResponsibleSteel certification, your key to independent verification of your product's sustainability. Are you committed to reducing ESG risks in your supply chain? Want to comply with your customers' increasing sustainability demands? Show the world that you are a socially responsible, sustainable player in the steel sector. Contribute to creating socially responsible jobs and making a positive impact on the environment. With our internationally recognized certification, you can strengthen your ties with global partners and customers. Whether you're a large corporation or a small business, ResponsibleSteel certification is suitable for all sizes. Join the elite league of sustainable steel producers. The ResponsibleSteel certification process is straightforward. Self-assessment, audits, and review by an independent body lead to your certification and a spot on the ResponsibleSteel website. Make a lasting impression on your customers and stakeholders. Invest in ResponsibleSteel certification today. Contact us now to start your journey towards sustainable and responsible steel production. Visit dqsglobal.com.